good, YouTube? It's Family Goes back with another video. So today it's currently Christmas Eve, and we always open our presents on Christmas Eve. So why are you looking like that, Mom? So we're gonna open our presents right now, and Travis is already opening one.
I really wanted this. Let's ask it for this thing.
We don't have a Christmas tree,
Naya,
so we made one.
We opened up the family presents together.
Well, Naya, we're opening up presents.
Like, what is she doing? Oh, it's to Anaya. My bad. That's what you wanted, didn't you?
Right, yeah.
That's on live, Naya. That's on live. Wait.
So this one's mine. I'm gonna open it.
Hey, come over here.
Are you got the present?
Watch this guy open the present.
Oh, I already did it. I wanted to see what it was.
Sorry, guys. Let me turn this camera around.
What in the world is this? Wait, I'm still trying to see what Mom got me.
Hey, wait. Turn this around.
This is Naya's. What is this?
Dang, I thought I had something. Where's my present?
What is this?
Right, what is this?
Real, you been ungrateful?
Stop throwing it.
Now you knew I
That's a towel.
would. Okay, Mom. I'm gonna take a shower and use it then.
You want to take showers?
It's not the right series.
Who is this
Shouldn't matter.
shit?
Wait, Saya, just wait.
Ma, I got all cards.
Give me that family one.
And this, that's it.
Just so y'all know, I don't have no presents
I
because
have none. You said you don't.
say thank you to Linda.
Stocking!
Look at all this stupid mess.
Mommy, who sent this to us? Linda, right?
Yes.
Thank you, Linda.
Thank you,
What
Linda.
your Auntie Ruthie get y'all?
I don't know, because I didn't get
She
nothing.
got me
You too.
I ripped it.
You don't want books? I got socks. Yep. I got this.
I think that
Travis,
that game is from Ruthie. That game that you got right
Travis,
there.
one right here.
I think Ruthie got you that one.
And I got this.
Show them your game that you got.
No
Give me
cards
some
this
switch.
time?
I got this.
Yeah.
Battle Crash.
You want no card in there?
Battle
I
Crash.
got this. I got this.
I bet this is
LOL.
this is cars again.
Okay, go through your bag. Come on, open it up.
I got so much cars.
What's in here?
Oh my gosh. I got a lot to add to my card for. Look at these cars.
You didn't even play with them cards. I don't know why he always.
Oh, them is your tights. You need some tights when you come out the cold all the time.
Okay, I'm gonna get
Why is so annoying? Family.
two on everything.
I need to get something.
Wait, don't try to open it. Set it to the side. You open it later.
Accessories.
I don't know. I think so.
Seriously.
Hey, I'm gonna need that bag.
Look, don't judge me. I didn't have no box for it. Naya, why would you do that?
I told her I'm gonna need this bag.
For what?
Clean up all this crap that they did.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Shoes.
I had to do Walmart route because you like them type of little ugly shoes.
I just like shoes. JoJo
Yes.
Oh yeah, that's why you asked me. Do you like JoJo Siwa?
We don't support her around this house. Nah.
Why? Because she making money?
She irritated. No, right. She's size age, dressing up like a little girl.
She is a little girl.
She needs to grow up. She's 16, dressing like that.
So?
That's not okay.
This is just an LOL.
Okay, now open up them two over there. You got two bags over there.
Oh, these?
Mm-hmm.
But he gotta. Oh, I was gonna say.
Travis done left. He didn't open up our house.
Steak with a big.
Ooh, she ugly.
Ugly.
She ugly.
She is. Show them the other stuff. What else you get? Let me see your monkey.
I didn't even get to open up my car.
You love them?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Mommy, I already opened this
Y'all
one.
don't
Can I
even
open
seem
this
excited.
one too? Can I open this one too?
Yes.
What is this? Uno? What is it?
I'm still waiting on
What else y'all got?
We got another controller.
Finally.
We can play together.
Who did I get the controller from?
Play that one.
Who got y'all that?
Mom.
Auntie Ruthie got that.
Thank you, Auntie Ruthie.
Thank you, Auntie Ruth.
Chocolate. Oh my gosh. No, it says family on it. So so I can eat some too.
Saya, you guys can play split screens and me and
Boy,
Saya.
shut up. We're not playing split screen. Stop talking about that. No.
We can play squads.
No. We're not
You guys
doing
can play on
that.
the PS4. Me and Scott can play on the
Shut
Switch.
up.
There's split screens now.
I don't care. I'm not playing Fortnite.
That thing work?
I don't know how to do it.
Okay, so look at this big old box of chocolate that I got.
Where's
to
my
get.
cookie?
Can you get mine?
You know, I already knew that was up in
Can
there.
you get mine, Naya? Naya, can you reach mine?
Literally, all Mom brought me was candy. This is exactly what I
Can
wanted.
someone reach
That's
my
all you want.
stocking, please?
It's not working. Last year, Mom got me a big bag of.
Nah, did you like you? I want you to try a new series.
Mom, it's not.
It said
it's a new
bestseller.
series. I was looking for joke. I'm like, I don't know what that Mom, is. it's not turning on.
Son, you have to wait.
Mom,
not
no, reach my stocking.
Maybe it's the wrong. Maybe that plug don't work. Go to a different plug.
Oh.
Is there a ball?
Sorry, guys.
It's
but-
an LOL.
Oh, I forgot you. I got you more LOL. I forgot.
And then
Sorry, what all you get? I ain't heard you say nothing.
this, what is this?
And I'm glad when we went back to the big lots, they was gone. I'm glad I grabbed them when I did.
What is this?
You didn't see none when we went there, did you?
No,
They was
that's
gone.
how
I
you
knew they
know I got
was.
'em.
What is this, Mom?
Got these little nasty things.
Mom.
What is it?
We ain't got this. We got the
Little
same
wax
thing.
nasty things.
No, it's outside. I got the outside.
I know.
You got sour patch? Oh, yeah. What else you get, Mama? Oh, she got a bunch of lip gloss.
And
I
I
got lip
got
gloss.
another.
I know. What is this?
How you know? You didn't know that.
I saw some.
Cyan, what you get, Cyan? You ain't said nothing.
Star Wars, but I didn't know that.
So you got some more stuff in my closet. You got some more Legos in my closet and something else I can't remember.
Because my Nintendo Switch not turning on.
Son, it's gonna come on. Huh?
You still didn't open that?
And hit that thumb.
Well, that's all for this video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell down below.
That's a bum.
Merry Christmas.
Have a good Christmas.
Oh, Saya's on him. Like, he is really cold. How'd you even do that? Oh, knife in the back. Oh! Why are you doing that? I'm gonna fall myself. Nah, how do you? She needs to fall in the
She's not on a
pool.
plane.
What's good, YouTube? It's Family Gold. Wait, don't sign it without me. Okay, well, this video
We're back with another banger. This video is gonna be about trying to shut up.
When Nia's
I'm not
trying
trying
she's not.
anything.
She's never like this. She's so irritating, trying to be cool and stuff.
She didn't like this. She had a concept.
So this video, we're just gonna be eating and talking about things that have happened to us recently.
Recently, nothing
So
happened.
Travis got a little girlfriend.
No, I don't.
This is
He
Travis
got over the game.
Travis got a
He
little,
got a little girlfriend.
He thought he's somebody.
She
now.
got him something for Christmas. He didn't get her nothing.
up. I don't
So,
even have a girlfriend.
He's been running around the store getting little baby dinosaurs and all this extra stuff trying to get it for her. And he's trying to ask us, is this what she wants? I'm like, I don't know this ugly little girl. And he's like, don't
not
call her that. Don't call her that. I'm like,
Scott,
let's talk about Messiah. Yeah, bought this something for this little boy.
Do not say his name. I'm
Right.
freaking that out.
But I'm trying to figure out what you buy them. That's what we trying to get to him to buy.
Oh, you already know what she bought.
Mine is in the cabinet.
What you buy?
Cookies.
She didn't know what he wanted.
I thought that was for you.
No. She was gonna buy him wax bottles, but she didn't do that.
Why can't I
Fine.
buy
Wow, y'all be doing me bogus for y'all friends though.
We brought you a mug.
No, I live you 20.
Barely.
We got you something you're gonna be ungrateful about. Weird looking
cupcakes.
No, these weird looking marshmallows.
Sour Patch marshmallows. That was sour.
So these are Sour Patch Kids marshmallows, and they probably gonna be nasty, but we all
We should all get different colors.
Some wings.
Oh. Big green and yellow. Pick one already. Name
What's
one.
that playing?
You like the same color.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Nasty. Ugh. Awful. Just awful. Just awful.
Girl, what?
That tastes like some white people food. I don't
Tastes
like
like-
that.
I don't think you say that.
Why are you in my ear?
We have white people that watch our channel online. You can't say that.
First off.
Okay, would you could say black people food?
Uh-huh. Yeah, y'all what?
Right.
You fill up my cup was like,
I want a cupcake.
you real close.
Those cookies are in that thing.
Okay, we're gonna get a cookie.
Yeah.
Why?
No.
There's another one. Chill.
There's always you breaking glass cups, though.
Always her. That's exactly why I don't give y'all glass.
I don't think I've ever broken
And you're
glass
the oldest one, though.
Yeah, show how it is. Here, take a cookie.
You don't need a hookup no more, Skylar. You actually don't need a hookup.
Right. Don't even get glass no more.
I can get glass. I'm mature enough.
Well, if you would have got your own glass.
How did you drop it in the first place, though?
Oh,
Girl.
stepped on a piece of glass.
Hold on, y'all. We're gonna be back in a second.
Well, sorry about that. Anyway, what were we saying?
Just cold. About you giving a nigga gift and not me.
I got you a mug.
I paid for that.
Oh, now you really on trial
But
now.
you know what? She was about to get you nail polish, and then I was like, oh, and then she was like, let's get a dog mug, and then we finally agreed on the one with the thing on it.
But did she go half on it or what?
No, not at all. It was $4.
We couldn't go half on it. It was only $4. We only had 20s.
You better not break that one. What are you talking about? It was only
Right.
$4.
You could have paid $4.
But we both only had 20.
You're supposed to draw me a picture.
I
What
had
happened to you draw me a picture?
$40. What are you talking about? We both had 20.
I have 3 things that I've started drawing but haven't finished.
Okay. But y'all gonna eat the cookies or what?
Right there.
They hard now.
It tasted so good yesterday.
I know they don't taste the same.
No, I'm not even gonna
Just try to bite it.
We'll try to my front teeth hurt so bad I can't. We'll try the cupcake.
No, grab yourself a cookie.
He already ate them. Put the top back on it. That's fine.
Well, those are kind of no good now.
Okay, eat the cupcake then.
I am.
Look how pretty it is. Bring it to the camera so they can see it. So pretty. Travis got the prettiest one though. Sorry, look at Travis.
You did that with the colors?
I want to bite it so bad. Hurry up so I can eat it.
Boy, you better quit rushing me.
So pretty.
You didn't take time, it don't just happen. Is this down, up?
That's good.
Oh, there you go. Boom.
I made the white frosting by hand.
She thinks she's somebody now.
Thank
She's a
you.
real chef.
DIY savvy. Feel
She
me?
thinks she's a real chef or something now. Like,
Wait, don't eat it, Sky. What are you doing? No, you can't hold that glass cup, so I dropped it. She
Why
didn't
is
drop
it? Why is it hard at the top?
Cause it's been sitting out, son.
Is it good?
Y'all want caramel on it or what?
Yeah.
Is it good, son?
The way she just looked at him.
It tastes like a brownie?
yeah.
Is it a brownie?
Nope.
Fun fact, brownies are my favorite.
No, it's good.
No.
No, it's good.
How you like it, Naya? That's from her. Travis, how it taste?
First off,
It was good?
he's eating a piece of pizza.
Can you taste the frosting that I made or no? I try to drown it out with the chocolate.
It tastes like red velvet ice frosting on a normal cupcake.
No, it's not.
You gotta try the spoons
That's
now.
nice to know.
Come get food.
Oh, show him the spoon.
Stop.
Show him the nice one, not the with the dent in it.
You always do that.
Dang, why would you throw it? It got a dent in it, not the one with the dent.
You break it?
The one without the dent. It's not a good one. What a loser.
Oh, this is the best one right here. Flat out, hands down.
Turn it around. It is the best one, I guess. You are such a hater on my. I don't know. Don't talk about my artwork, first of all. Just cut this out. I need to go over here.
Or pause it.
Right, but you're the one to talk. When I showed you my thing I drew yesterday, you said, you're like, it's hideous, I hate it.
What you draw?
Oh yeah, you did hate
You
on
had
your
arrows
work.
and stuff.
What are you doing, Mike?
What are you doing, Mama?
Whoopsie.
I'm putting that in there too, I don't care.
Side, put it out.
I love everything I see on that paper.
Yes, you
What are you talking
Is
about?
Zoe gonna finish it? It's a TikTok.
I've never heard that before.
She's like,
I'm
that's fantastic. I love everything I see on that paper. Excuse me. That's stupid. Y'all really don't know that one?
Can I live?
Can I?
Live.
Don't do that.
Put that out too.
Nobody knows that one either. But it's a TikTok, I swear.
This is chocolate, okay?
You be actually on TikTok?
Uh-huh.
Never. On Instagram, actually.
You have a TikTok?
You better eat it too.
Do you?
You have a TikTok? You know she got a TikTok trying to play.
No.
Can't do nothing
No.
though. Trying to do them dust
Shout your
smash.
TikTok out.
Is dust smash the same thing?
No. Well, no.
Kinda.
You said what? Okay,
No, you can't eat that.
We're done now. We're done.
So
You done.
basically,
Pineapples on pizza is the best. Basically.
hands down. But anywho, basically this was a dinner we're having with our family here. I mean, around the world, because everybody lives all over the world. We have some in Virginia, we have people in Texas, we got people in Minnesota, we got people in Arizona,
Washington.
Florida, everywhere. And so this is for all you guys to be up and personal with us on Christmas. And this is just Merry Christmas to y'all. So say Merry Christmas, y'all. We out of here.
Merry Christmas.
Seriously?
You should see what he was doing this whole time.
Card.
Shut up, Mom.
Put it away. There's money in it.
Stop. Well, Sai's already opened hers up.
Y'all
Get
should
off of me.
Y'all need the light on. It's kind of dark in here, y'all.
What are you?
God.
All y'all do is argue and fight. You can't do one something for a video game.
Kicked off my.
Gosh.
Guys.
Why did you do that?
I didn't mean to.
Nice. Move.
What is not doing Christmas Eve?
Here,
Dummy, we already said Christmas Eve in the video. Be quiet. It is Christmas Eve.
Here. Well, you can wait then. You want to wait?
Okay. What can you do?
You are already so quiet. And I didn't try.
Sorry about that.
I love staying next to
I know. Stop! Dude, stop hollering. Hurry up and start it for Murray. Wake up.
Travis, hey, do you wake up on
Wait.